Hi guys, this is a kill of Rock and Roll. I hope you guys having a great summer where you are at. And I got some cars, a box of cars today. This is probably going to be a two-part. I don't know. Let's put on our walking hats today. I got some safety goggles. Always stay safety for when you dremel and no drilling. Always stay safe, people. I don't mean that in a rude way. I just mean that in a cool monster truck. I don't know what to do with that, yeah, but the custom monster truck. I don't think I have to saw off a whole month. I think this is a Civi, yeah. It doesn't say Civi. Came like this in a box. I didn't customize this. No. So, I think this color scheme is new for 2025 because I've been seeing this around lately. Some 80s trucks. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of 80s trucks, but this is a good looking truck, honestly. I could imagine a killer driving around. '70s George Power Wagon. I don't know if this is new for. There's a Civi on my bush city. It's a Civi with my cowboy boots. Tip ya, Land Rover. That's for my British audience. I know I have people in the UK that'll probably be like, tip ya, I'm not, but don't talk like that, I'm not. And I'm like, yeah, that sounds like to me. I want it free. I didn't open this car. Okay, it came in a box. Like that. Like this. I didn't pop it open. Okay, I didn't just pop it open for this. Yes. Same type, nice pickup trucks. Sorry, I did screw that up. But I always say about customs, folks. You guys call out. You been up to customs? No, not really. Because I've been doing wall handle. I've been doing stuff like this. I got a big box of stuff. I don't have a lot of room on this, and I don't want to accidentally flash private information. I hope you folks understand that. I'm going to use it for this part. No. Another windmill. I love a windmill. I'm not a big British car fan, but some old British cars, you guys do know how to make. Never had this actually car. Heard good things about this. Oh poop. Oh poop's sake. Some Hot Wheels correcto Jason. Yes. let's have open. I didn't do it. Okay, I have to freeze it. Yeah, we'll use this one. Some different cars. But I think I'm going to pause here and catch up and start a video part 2 where we left off, folks. But stay safe and don't call up a Volkswagen. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and be a good customizer. Bye.